What's up, everybody? It's your boy Asid Tone. If you don't know, I am a recording artist, songwriter, producer, audio engineer, photographer, editor, and a videographer as well. Every Friday, we just jump into a beat and we just catch the vibe. You know what I'm saying? We catching vibes over here. That's what we doing. All the instruments that I got on the loop, and then we're gonna do the top drums, and then we're gonna do the low end, and we're gonna bring it all together. That's how we're gonna do this today. Yeah, so that's the loop, you know what I'm talking about? That shit real groovy, you know what I'm saying? It's real slow, like we do it in Texas, y'all know what I'm saying? That's how we do it in Texas. Now, the top drums is what I call them. It's basically everything except for the low end. Oh, now that low end, that kick, you know what I'm saying? The kick and the 808s is what we talking about specifically. Everything's real groovy, you know what I'm saying? Everything got its own cadence, everything got its own rhythm, and it's kind of similar to the main loop rhythm, you know what I'm saying? Put it out all together. Oh, if you like this beat, make sure you press the like button and you share with anyone else that may find this entertaining as well. And I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm out.